Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix code error E on your Honda Odyssey radio. This common issue usually means your radio's anti-theft system has activated, often after a battery change or power interruption. Don't worry, it's a straightforward fix. First, you'll need to find your unique 5-digit radio anti-theft code. This code is crucial for restoring functionality and getting your music back. If you can't find the code in your manual or on a sticker, there's an easy way to retrieve it. Turn on your ignition, but don't start the engine. Then, simultaneously press and hold the radio preset buttons 1 and 6 for about 10 seconds. Your radio's 10-digit serial number will appear on the display. You can then use this serial number, along with your vehicle identification number, to get the anti-theft code from Honda's online portal. Once you have your 5-digit anti-theft code, entering it is simple. Turn on your vehicle's ignition and then the radio. The display should prompt you for the code. Use the radio's preset buttons, numbered 1 through 5, to input each digit. For example, if your code is 24680, you would press preset button 1 twice, preset button 2 4 times, and so on until all 5 digits are entered. After you've entered the 5th digit of your code, the radio should automatically unlock and resume normal operation. You'll hear your music playing again, and the error E message will be gone. If it doesn't work on the first try, double-check your code and re-enter it carefully. Incorrect entries can cause a temporary lockout, so wait about 10 minutes before trying again. If you're still having trouble, your local Honda dealership can provide further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.